Now I'll talk about how you can make your CV or your profile stand out among all the CVs or hundreds of CVs or profiles. Any recruiter or employer gets hundreds of CV almost on a daily basis. So they can't give time, they can't pay attention to every one of the CV they receive. Generally, it is said, according to some surveys, that a recruiter spends 20 seconds to 25 seconds on any given CV. So that is the time when you have to grab attention. If you are successful in grabbing attention, your CV will go into the next stage and will be shortlisted, and after that it will be finally shortlisted. In the first stage of this 20-25 seconds, 50% of CVs get ignored. Now the question is, why do they get ignored? They get ignored because they do not address any specific position. They don't ask like, I want this position or I want that position. Generally they are saying any suitable position, any job. This is not the duty of the employer or the recruiter to find what job can suit you. It is your duty. You have to make their work easy and not increase their workload. So if somebody has 150 to 100 CVs, that he will just like select which matches his requirement or her requirement. So do not ask for any job or any suitable job. You should specify, narrow down your choices. Mention one or two jobs only. If you have two parallel careers, then make two different CVs. In the same way, some CVs which have scattered job experience or where their qualifications do not match with the job they're applying for, they get neglected, they get ignored. So what you should do is match your experience with the job you have applied. Don't say I've worked in HR, I've worked in IT, I've worked in customer service. Remove irrelevant experience as much as possible and just mention which is relevant. And another important thing is you should have a professional proper CV, like as per the market standards, as what all the information, the CV should have all the information which is required to be there. So we come down to 3 points in order to make your CV stand out among hundreds of CVs is: number one, be specific, narrow down your job choices. Don't ask for any good job or any suitable job, just ask for one or two jobs. Secondly, your qualification should match the job you're applying, and your job experience should be aligned with the job you're looking for. Do not mention scattered job experience, like here, there, and you have worked IT, customer service, administration, and then you're asking for a job. So be specific, don't give scattered experience. Thirdly, make a professional CV. Your CV is your representation in your absence. This is your gateway to interviews. If your CV is good, if it passes the first stage, only then you'll get an interview. So work on your CV, make a professional CV, make it yourself or get help. If you have to spend on yourself, no harm, because this will pay you back. So these 3 things you should remember to make your CV stand out among hundreds of CVs. Thank you. Good luck, viewers. Thank you.